Today we're going to be talking about how to organize your office supplies. Now, I know that most homes have more pens, pencils, markers, erasers, highlighters than you could possibly ever use. And so I think when you are starting to organize your office, that starting with like a low stakes item like pens and pencils, you really can't go wrong because they're not expensive to replace if you should need to replace them, and they kind of like clog up everything. So the first thing that you need to do when you're going to be organizing your office supplies is to get all of these pens and pencils together so you can see exactly how many you have, and then go ahead and get rid of any that don't work, that you don't like, that are a pain to use. You know, there's just some pens that are kind of like a little on the edge of like getting dried out, and so the ink doesn't come out nicely and it's a pain, and you don't have time for that, so just go ahead and get rid of them. And this is a great project for kids. I know when I was younger, my mom used to give me a like sheet of scrap paper and go through all the pens or markers or whatever and get rid of any that don't work. So it would just be a scribble fest, and any that didn't work, I would just pitch right away. Again, if you're looking for like a task to get your kids involved so that they help learn the habits to keep themselves organized by going through things on the regular, like that's a key skill, this is a great one to get them involved with, and kids super young can help with this one, so it's a great idea. But first, like I said, just go through everything and get rid of anything that doesn't work or that you don't like, and then keep the rest. If you find that you still have a ton, then look for places to donate them. Schools, churches, daycares. Sure, you could call them and see if they're in need of them, and go ahead and give them to them and get them out of your house and reclaim that space. So I hope this video has been super helpful. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I will catch you next time.